Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. Prepare your pint jars, about 1 pound per pint. Will give you an idea of how many jars you're going to need depending on how much fish you've got. A little trick I use is to lay a jar down on its side to measure how big to cut the fish. In this case, we're doing some whiting, and we're doing half pints and pint jars of fish. So, gonna go ahead and prepare the fish, get it all cut and into the jars. If the fish has skin on like this does, you're gonna want to pack it in the jars with the skin side out. And they should look something like this when you get them all stacked in the jar. Once I have my jars packed with my fish, I'm going to go ahead and add a half teaspoon in each pint and a quarter teaspoon in each half pint. My fish is then ready to go in the canner. Fill your canner and vent for 10 minutes. Go ahead and process for 1 hour and 40 minutes for pints and smaller size jars. Once the canner has cooled completely, take your fish out and let them set to seal. You'll notice that fish shrinks quite a bit, and I really do prefer the raw packed method. You just have to really pack it in there tight. You can see a couple of them, I was at the end of the type of fish. I didn't want to double up with different kinds of fish. I did 2 kinds here, both the whiting and the pollock. So you can see that some of them, at the very end here, have a lot less fish in the jar just because of the way we, couldn't pack any more in without breaking it up. But I did want to keep it whole. So, yes, fish take up a lot more space, but they do produce a lot of their own liquid, and there's no reason to do anything but raw pack with them. So there you have it, Rebel Canners. Fish. It's not so hard to do. Like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another episode.